Hello everyone, this is Nikhil from Dayananda Sagar University. We have done the project of title Automatic Certificate Generation using Public Connect. Let's discuss more deeply what is Public Connect. Here are the team members myself, Nikhil Kumar Reddy, Vasudev, Srisharan, Vedant Naik, Harshavardhan Gupta, Uday Kumar A, Vivian Vignesh. Public Connect documentation. Discuss what is exactly Public Connect and what are the uses. So here with introduction, Fabric Connect provides you the ability to integrate multiple applications by managing the data flow smoothly. Main advantage is you can connect two or more apps and get the repetitive task done through automation, and that too without depending on developers and any coding work. General terms used in this article. Workflow. This refers to the sequence of actions performed according to the setup. In Fabric Connect, a workflow is a bundle of triggers, actions, and scheduler which will perform a complete action to connect your applications. App. It is the initial action of your workflow. The action in your application starts with the statement when this happens. Action. This is the next step of your workflow. When you complete the setup of triggering app, you need to define further actions. Filter. This is a simple option to create the if-else condition in your workflow. If the in the filter, you need to define two variables, namely condition and comparison. Router. This option can be used to provide a path to your workflow. You can direct your data to different streams based on the condition you had here. Iterator. It is used when you need to enumerate elements from the collection of your data. You need to choose the arrays to iterate the values. Reference code. These two reference codes are taken from the internet to develop our project. Firstly, we express our heartfelt thanks to our sir, Dr. Ambunathan Ramaya, for his valuable suggestions during the course of this project. The successful completion of this project was to his coordination and streamlining of the project progress. Methodology. Step 1. Here we will discuss how we done the project by step. Total we have 6 steps. Coming to step 1, create Google Forms and connect with Google Sheets. Next, go to extensions in Google Sheets and click add-ons and install Fabric. After installation, go to Fabric Connect Groups and click initial step setup. It adjacent to that, here are the pictures. Till now, what I explained. First, go to extensions in that Fabric Connect webhooks, and we need to click initial setup. After clicking initial setup, you'll get one display. In that, we need to enter one URL so that it will activate. Soon after, as soon as user submits the Google form, the data enters in the Excel sheet. Go to Fabric Connect and select the Google Form app and select the new response sheet. You'll get one URL appeared in the form. Copy the URL and paste it on the initial setup in Google Form. What I explained earlier, it is the same. Just copy paste the URL and paste in the web URL. And trigger column is that the last column of your Google Form and submit. Step 2. Create another step by selecting date and formatter. Select date format only as app and select date format from the list. Third step. Here it is the main step of our project. Now our aim is generating internship certificate. So in Google Slides, just initially we will create a reference internship certificate, and we need to select another step by choosing Google Slides app and select New template as action event. Enter all the requirements mentioned. Enter new presentation location where you want to store our certificate. Here, title of new presentation. If you want in here, I declared with full name. See, when you enter this title of new presentation, file name, it will come as Nikhil Kumar Reddy. Now, as soon as you entered all the details, here new presentation location, where I want to store the documentation that I have also given. Then as soon as enter all details, click save and send text request. Google said document is created in the particular location. This is the sample or the reference internship certificate what we made. Step 4. After creating Google Slide document, we need to access it publicly. So that we are using another app called Google Drive with an action you want to share a file with everyone. As soon as you opt this file, this option helps us to share a document file with everyone publicly. Enter the presentation ID created from the previous step. As soon as you enter all the details, don't forget to click save and send test response. We'll observe that Google Slide share option is unlocked. Next step, as soon as you made the earlier step, we need to upload the document to PDF. So choose another app as Google Drive and a selection and action event as upload a file. This converts Google Slide document file to PDF. Enter the URL which created in previous step with PDF application. Enter the file ID to store PDF in the Google Drive. Earlier, I have created a PDF folder in Google Drive. That location I pasted in folder ID so that as soon when you submit, save and test response, you will appear one PDF in that location. Here is the last step at the end of our project. As soon as you get the PDF, we need to send to the user who submits the response, who submits the Google Sheet. So choose another app, again Google Drive, and select action event as share a file. This will share the PDF through mail. We can connect to any one of the apps. You can connect to WhatsApp, mail, anything. But as of now, I have taken email. Enter the file ID which was created in previous as uploaded file application in the list. As soon as clicking save and send text response, you will receive a mail with a certificate PDF. So till now we did our project, but here as soon as the user submits the Google form, they will receive PDF certificate. Till now everything is fine, but the disadvantage is some people also will get PDF even though they are incomplete. In the sense, even though they didn't complete internship, after filling that Google form, they will also get the PDF. So this is the drawback. So what we are doing, we need to sort them with some verification ID. With some verification ID, we will sort the list in Excel sheet. Those who are done will keep it as remain only. Rest of them will just delete. And after that, after sorting in Google Sheets, delete them and send all PDFs at a time by clicking send all data option in Fabric Connect workbooks under extension. There is the procedure. In the extensions, go to Fabric Connect workbooks and click as send all data. As soon as you enter this, the generated PDFs will go to the user. Here is flowchart. Here is the flowchart of a project. Initially, we created Google Forms that we should connect with Fabric Connect. Then Fabric Connect to Google Slides. There in Google Slides, we created certificate template that we are storing in Google Drive. From Google Drive, we are making it PDF. That PDF we are sending to mail as an output. Thank you. Now let's see how the code works. So here, this is the public connect. So here is the first step with Google Forms. We need to select a Google form and trigger event as new response in spreadsheet. As soon as you did all the steps which was explained, don't forget to click recapture webhook response. After that, second step is date time formatter. Third is Google Slides, where we are creating our internship certificate that we are publicly accessible through Google Drive. With an action event, share a file with everyone. After that, we are making into PDF with upload a file. Finally, we are sharing that PDF. I've entered all the related information. As soon as I send save on text response, will appear a PDF. Let's see. See, as soon as you click save and send text response, you will get a PDF to your mail. Let's open and see whether it is correct or not. See, Nikhil Kumar Reddy, what I've entered name initially, it is displayed. So our project has done. So let's here. This is the PDF. Till now we have done, and there are some my team members already submitted the Google Form responses. So in that also, what I said some disadvantages. What you will need to do? Go to extensions, Fably, connect webhooks, send all data. If you click on that, you will get uh, all PDFs at a time to all the students who submitted the PDF. And see, this is also as soon as when I click this extensions and send all data. After some minute away, will will appear a new file. Okay. Let's refresh. Let's see. We'll get PDF and we'll look into another. How my friends are. So let's see whether he got. No, see, he got with the name inside the PDF. This is how what we done entire Pabbly using Pabbly Connect. The main advantage is without coding, just writing flowchart, and we need to connect them orderly. And this is our project. Thank you.